Kahuli Child Higher Secondary School dong Thamai Shillong hene kasingi ka Plie terek kala Plie usnam Jubilee Ksiar jongka. La sedang ya kene kasingi da kajingkan tiu ya ka lama Jubilee Ksiar da ukong san jong kene kasingi Uma Vincent Pala MP ha kajing dan lang u Archbishop ka Shillong Archdiocese Archbishop Victor Lungdo kumu sembut kongsan. Lawan baneshim bantalam ha kene kasingi da uba Jamino Mautho I Provincial Superior ka North East Province jong ka seng kajinga selok ki Sister of Charity I Principal ka nika school ki nong hikai ki khana school ki kemi ki kpa bat ki khana school barim jong ka te ka school lapan phup phieng ki nika sngi da ki program ba pher na ki khana jong ka te ka school.
It's another privilege for me to be here in your midst today. In fact, I was almost about to cancel the program, sister, because I've been summoned by the Enforcement Directorate today. So I was in Delhi. I came from Delhi almost this morning by 1 o'clock in the morning, but I don't know what to do. I was confused whether I should go to ED or should go to the school. But later on I decided that I should come here and ask time from the ED. I always remember, but I passed from the school, Holy Family School from Clarion. So it's always confused for me when I say Holy Family and Holy Child. So thank you, sisters, for all the arrangement. Thank you, students, for the performance you have made. I've been witnessing so many golden jubilees all around the state, and my own children also are studying in different schools and colleges. I can say that it's excellent to be here. The performance, the timing. Thank you, sister, for all the training. The motto, always more and always better. The theme, enriched, emboldened, emblazed, and excellence. I think our forefathers, the founders of this school, when they started, Kong Patricia just now told me she was a teacher here. They had a vision, they had a dream, and they knew what will the school is as on today. Psalm 118:24. This is the day the Lord has made. May we rejoice and be glad in it. With immense joy and happiness, I join all of you in the celebration of your Golden Jubilee. It's always wonderful to be here with sisters, students, and teachers. The last 50 years has been remarkable. We have experienced, and all of you have experienced, ups and downs in life. You also have experienced sorrowful. Many teachers and sisters have passed ahead of us, but all of you have been bravely driven ahead without compromising your values of faith and without losing enthusiasm. I sincerely admire the passion for education that drives all of us here.
The knowledge enriches us, ideas we have gained. Our time's investment in this place is never in vain. We're left with curiosity, through that we seek for more. Wisdom is this place, greatest gift, and in us He's rich to sow.
กันโมยเตรยเตรยเตรหามยาลลินละเนมละเนมละเรียนเนหาชาลินตับเสียนหักชาเป็นชอยหักชาเป็นกีกันโมยเตรยเตรยเตรหามยาลลินละเนมละเนมละเรียนเนหาชาลินตับเสียนหักชาเป็นชอยหักชาเป็นกี